Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian. It's March 22nd, 2020. I didn't think I'd be broadcasting from my home wearing a face mask, but that's where we're at right now in the world. We're facing a global pandemic. People are dying, getting sick with COVID-19. And I was trying to search my mind, search my heart. Our studio shut down, our office is shut down, pretty much the whole world is on shutdown. And what could we do to help, to give back? What can I do? I need to do something. I just can't sit in my house being pent up. And so right now, there's many things that we can do to help people. And I was thinking from my company perspective, helping people in the hospitals. Those are the heroes right now, the people, the nurses, the doctors, helping treating the patients that are getting sick, all the laborers. You see them at Costco, Walmart, all the people that are working very, very hard to help people. My wife is actually making these because in the hospitals they're only limited to one face mask per shift. And so we started to make these. So if you're in the medical field and you need a face mask, we'd be happy to make one and send this out to you. And more importantly, I think, I was thinking the other day, how did we get here? It's 2020. How do we have a pandemic in 2020? It just seems so bizarre, like something you'd see like in a zombie movie or something from the 18th or 19th century, but not today. So it just reminds me of how short and precious life really is. And what really matters is your family and making the most of yourself and giving back. And that's one of the things that with my company, Angelo Christian Financial, I was trying to figure out what can I do to give back to help people. And so we're going to be doing several things to get over this hump to beat COVID-19. First thing is that we're going to be doing is 2 months, no payments after you close on your loan with us. So after you close on your home loan, you won't make any house payments for 2 months. Free credit repair for a whole year. So when you sign up with us, we'll help you to boost up your credit score to 700 or higher. You get that for free. We also have an awesome real estate university that I've built. Because right now you're at home, you're not doing anything. Learn real estate from online. Sign up for Real Estate University. All the proceeds are going to be donating when you sign up today for fighting viruses like COVID-19, to the CDC, to the FDA to help to fight these diseases, you see all these, John Hopkins University, they were the ones that first that discovered this in China. They need money, they need funds. So when you sign up for a real estate university, whoever signs up today, those funds are going to places like that to help them to overcome, to find, the vaccines for these viruses. Is so important. And so I want to give back in any way that I can. So these are ways that I can give back within my power, my world in real estate. And I thought it was a very important thing to come out to you guys out there today. Whether you're in the medical field and you need a face mask, we'd be happy to make one if you don't have enough where you're at, or you're wanting to learn Real Estate University and you're at home, you can do it from your phone or from your computer. There's not much else you can do right now. So there's a link below. There's probably things that are flashing up here to sign up for Real Estate University. I want you guys to do that because, we're going to get through this hump and the light's going to get turned back on soon and we got to get back into motion. Right, and the U.S. economy, the world is going to be stronger than ever. It taught us a lot of great lessons. That's one of the biggest things I was thinking about. What are some of the lessons that we can learn from going through this pandemic? And one of the things that came to me is that we all have to come together as a global nation to work together to fight these type of viruses, these deadly diseases that kill people. Become more independent. As soon as China shut down, the U.S. started to shut down. We have to figure out how to become more independent, right, as a nation, right? If one country goes under, another country shouldn't get knocked down. And it's very scary if you think about it. It doesn't even seem real that's sinking in that I can't even go to a restaurant right now. My kids are out of school and business is shut down. The capital markets are frozen. I mean, who would have thought, 2 weeks ago that this would have happened? And I don't know what the future holds. All we can do is hope for the best, right? So, if you're out there and you're trying to figure out what to do, how to help somebody, what to do, these are ways that you can give back. Like I said, with Angelo Christian Financial, these are the 3 things that we're going to be doing to beat COVID-19. So if we can help you with anything, please reach out to our office at 832-431 888-888-6331. All the links are down below on the YouTube channel to get more information. Thank you. Take care. God bless. Take care of your family. Do whatever you can. We will get through this as a nation, as a world. Take care and peace out, guys. We love you.